explain it. And I got this information from a few sources, and one of the sources is Dr. Robert Thompson, who wrote the book, The Calcium Lie, and he believes the clearest indicator of a creator God is seawater, because seawater has 92 minerals, the exact same mineral and proportion and balance as is found in the body. And the closest to seawater is Celtic salt. Celtic salt has 82 minerals.
Dr. O'Neill recommends many strategies for using common foods as medication to cure everyday problems. In this video, she compares several types of salts and discusses their beneficial and bad impacts on health. Make sure to watch the full video to discover all of the crucial advice, including how to use Celtic salt properly for its health advantages, as Dr. O'Neill presents her easy and tasty breakfast meal.
In nature, we find the highest amount of sodium in seawater, and seawater contains 92 minerals. Of those 92 minerals, 30%, approximately 30% is sodium, and of those 92 minerals, approximately 50% is chloride.
Did you know seawaters contain 50 trillion metric tons of dissolved salt containing 92 minerals including sodium, chloride, magnesium, calcium, potassium, and sulfate? Celtic salt, a natural, mineral-rich salt, is harvested from coastal regions and retains essential nutrients like magnesium, calcium, and potassium. Its moist texture and gray color ensure minerals are preserved and readily available for the body. Celtic salt supports bodily functions like hydration, electrolyte balance, and digestion. Unlike table salt, which is 80% sodium chloride, Celtic salt contains 20% essential minerals that maintain a healthy balance in the body. Hand-harvested from coastal regions, Celtic salt supports various bodily functions. Due to its higher concentration, sodium chloride is very easy to extract. But is table salt equally beneficial for our health as Celtic salt?
Chloride take up the most amount. They're the first crystals formed when the water is evaporated. So what man does is he scoops up the first crystals formed, he bleaches them white, puts aluminium with it so that it runs freely, and there's your table salt. Table salt is a dangerous salt because we now have two very harsh minerals that if you were to inject both of those into the blood, you would die.
Sea salt, a salt with a complete nutrient profile, can be fatal without the proper balance of sodium and chloride. Table salt, with its addition of anti-caking agents like sodium aluminosilicate, can introduce aluminum into the diet, potentially leading to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. High levels of aluminum may also interfere with calcium absorption, causing weakened bones and increased fracture risk. Consuming too much sodium chloride can disrupt the body's natural mineral balance, leading to health issues such as fluid retention, increased blood pressure, hypertension, heart disease, stroke, and kidney disease. Table salt also disrupts the delicate balance of electrolytes, increasing the risk of heart attacks and heart failure. Excessive sodium intake can strain the kidneys, potentially leading to kidney stones, chronic kidney disease, and reduced kidney function. Therefore, it is crucial to consume table salt in moderation to maintain a healthy body. Taste buds. Dr. O'Neill also shares how this table salt is affecting our taste buds.
And did you know that sodium chloride is so strong it can kill the taste buds? Have you seen people that eat table salt? They put it on everything and they put it on before they've even tasted it. Well, no wonder their taste buds are dying. Whereas Celtic salt, with all of its minerals, it enhances the flavour of them.
Consuming table salt for extended periods can cause taste bud desensitization, where taste buds become less responsive to flavors due to the high concentration of sodium. This condition is caused by the irritation and drying of taste buds. Celtic salt, on the other hand, is less processed and contains a broader spectrum of minerals, making it less damaging to taste buds. It also retains trace minerals like magnesium, calcium, and potassium, enhancing the taste of food without destroying taste buds. How sodium-potassium pump works?
The highest concentration of mineral inside the cell is potassium. The highest concentration outside the cell is sodium. And in this bilayered membrane that is around every cell, there are sodium-potassium pumps. And these sodium-potassium pumps are ever going like this, maintaining the balance between potassium and sodium.
The sodium-potassium pump is a vital process in our body's cells that maintains balance and function. It functions as a traffic controller, moving sodium molecules out of cells to prevent issues. It also brings potassium molecules in, ensuring proper functioning of muscles and nerves. The pump maintains the electrochemical gradient across the cell membrane, crucial for electrical excitability in nerve and muscle cells. It also regulates cell volume by controlling osmotic balance and is involved in nutrient uptake and waste removal. The pump's failure can lead to high blood pressure. Therefore, its function is fundamental to cellular function.
So let's say someone's putting table salt on everything, and of course it's got no minerals in it at all. Sodium levels are rising. Potassium is found in all your fresh fruits and vegetables. And let's say the person is busy, they haven't got time to chew an apple or eat the fresh fruit and vegetables, they just eat the fast food. Potassium levels are dropping. Now sodium is in small amounts inside the cell. So what's happening inside the cell now? Sodium levels are rising, potassium levels are dropping. Osmosis and diffusion happens when the largest concentration merges into the lowest, which starts to happen in here because potassium level, and then the cell swells. What's that called? High blood pressure. The doctor is right. Table salt can greatly contribute to high blood pressure. And so what's the person told to do now? Stop the salt. Now, sodium levels are going too low. And when the sodium levels inside the cell go too low, the cell swells. What's that? High blood pressure again. You see, both extremes are unsafe. The table salt is dangerous because of the imbalance of minerals. No salt is dangerous because did you know that sodium is the third most vital element needed for life? You'll find that in every anatomy and physiology book, every biology book, every chemistry book. The third most vital element needed for life. What's the first? Oxygen. What's the second? Water. What's the third? Sodium. What's the fourth? Potassium. So a salt-free diet is a very unscientific diet. It's a dangerous diet.
Consuming too little sodium can have adverse effects on the body, as it plays a crucial role in maintaining fluid balance, nerve function, and muscle contractions. When sodium intake falls below a certain level, it can lead to hyponatremia, causing symptoms such as headaches, confusion, fatigue, and in severe cases, seizures or coma. Sodium is also essential for the proper functioning of the nervous system, as it is involved in the transmission of nerve impulses. A sodium deficiency can slow down these signals, affecting cognitive function and muscle coordination. Celtic salt, with its unique mineral composition and natural properties, can significantly improve blood pressure levels. One key mineral in Celtic salt is magnesium, which has been shown to have a beneficial effect on blood pressure regulation. Magnesium helps relax blood vessels by promoting vasodilation, leading to lower blood pressure levels. The balanced mineral content of Celtic salt, including calcium and potassium, contributes to its blood pressure lowering effects. Calcium helps maintain healthy blood vessel function, while potassium aids in balancing sodium levels in the body. Celtic salt supports overall electrolyte balance, which is crucial for maintaining stable blood pressure levels. By choosing Celtic salt over table salt, you can avoid the negative effects of processed sodium and benefit from a natural source of minerals that support heart health.